Let me show you how the custom letter generator works. I designed it mainly for makers selling personalized 3D printed products online. The idea is simple. Create a unique STL for your customer in less than a minute. I kept the generator intentionally simple, with only the settings you actually need. So, let's go through it. The first step is easy. Simply choose the letter you want to work with. Next, enter the name. You can choose whether you want the name to be placed horizontally or vertically. Depending on the letter itself and the length of the name, one direction may work better than the other. Then simply adjust the size and position until everything looks right. In the third section, you can add decorative elements. At the moment, there are 3 different collections available, and you can freely mix elements from all of them. And more collections will gradually be added over time, most likely based on requests and suggestions from members. For every individual element, you can adjust its horizontal and vertical position, size, and rotation. So even with the same letter and the same name, you can create a lot of completely different designs. The next step is important. Here, you set the overall height of the letter. The width automatically changes proportionally, so make sure the final dimensions will fit comfortably on your printer's build plate. In the same section, you can also adjust the depth of the letter. For a model that is going to stand on a table, shelf, or desk, I usually recommend something around 50 to 60 millimeters. And finally, we have 2 additional functions. The first one is table standing. Some letters, such as C, have a rounded bottom and naturally don't stand very well on a flat surface. When this option is enabled, the generator slightly trims the bottom of the letter and creates a small flat surface. That way, the model can stand securely without tipping over. The second option is wall mounting holes. You can choose between 1 or 2 mounting points. For certain letters where a single mounting point wouldn't provide enough balance, the generator automatically allows only the 2-hole option. Once everything looks the way you want it, just click Download. And that's where the generator does the rest for you. The downloaded folder contains the complete assembled model, as well as every individual part exported separately. For printing, these separate parts will usually be the files you'll use the most. If you enabled wall mounting holes, you'll also receive a PDF mounting template. Simply print it at 100% scale, place it on the wall, and use it to mark the exact positions for the screws. You'll also find an information file containing general details about the model and some basic printing recommendations. All individual elements are designed to fit slightly into each other. This makes assembly much easier and helps every part sit in exactly the right position after printing. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoy using the generator and that it makes creating personalized models for your customers faster, easier, and a little more fun. And this is only the beginning. I'll be releasing more generators throughout the month, so there's plenty more coming. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.